Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the gold over the US dollar chart. As you can see in today's trading session, for the second session in a row, we have broken down here in the gold markets. I did say this was a possibility. In yesterday's video I said, if we were to break down to 1700, there is a supportive area from 1700 down to 1680, and there is signs of that. We did go and test 1680, but we've since bounced roughly 5 points. Of course, it's still way too early to tell whether 1680 will hold. Hopefully it does, because I'm still a buyer. I bought at 1700 and 1720. Of course, those two positions are now in losses, unfortunately, but I still am positive with regards to this trade. We have Joe Biden, who's just about to announce a $3 trillion infrastructure deal, but of course with that comes higher taxes. So there's loads of pros and cons here for the gold markets. 1680 is definitely the area to watch. If we do get a daily close below 1680 over the next couple of days, then you could potentially forecast a move down to 1600. That's what I've been saying over the past couple of sessions, that if we were to break down out of this blue rectangle box, 1680 is where you target, and then potentially even 1500. So things aren't looking too great for the gold bulls. One thing that I would point out though is that the RSI is approaching oversold territory once again, so we could see a nice little bounce here from this level. So I think if you're looking at this from a day trading perspective going into tomorrow's session, I would definitely be a buyer down here at 1680. Don't shoot for the moon, maybe just aim towards 1700 and look to take profits there. But if you're looking for a more medium to long term outlook, this is a fantastic opportunity to enter the gold markets. Target up towards my take profits up at 1750 and 1800. We're still in a low interest rate environment. You cannot ignore that, and personally I will not sell gold when we're in a low interest rate environment. So for the time being, I still remain a buyer. However, if we do get a daily close below 1680, I will have to close my two buy positions in a loss and just see where gold goes next, because that could open the doors down to 1600.